Hello and welcome to another Power BI video of beginner tutorial series. And in today's video, we are going to discuss one function list.isDifferent. So let's jump onto the Power BI and try to understand this function. So we go to the home tab. In the home tab, we have transform data. Under that again, transform data, we reach to Power Query. Now, is distinct means does it contain all the distinct element? Means sometimes you have a column and you want to check whether it contain all the values which are distinct or not. So we can do that check is distinct. Okay, so what we are going to do is first let's create one query here, a blank query. So go to the new sources, blank query. Once you get this blank query, right click on that one, say advanced editor, and then let's create a list first of all. And list you can create in angular brackets. Okay, so we can say 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Let's create a distinct list only and say list dot is distinct. Okay, and we'll say done. There is some error. Oh, no error there, it is coming as true, so we are getting true. And let's go ahead and now I tell you easy way. So see here I am able to see the source, so I'm going to go here 2 comma 2 and then I'll write down and I'll say this is now coming as false. So now this is the easier way, otherwise I would have told you that go to advanced editor every time. That's not needed, you can use it from here. And let's say if I convert this list into a text list, does that happen? So let's say AB comma A and B, true. Let's put AB again and let's put BA, true. Make it AB now. Look here, false. Now this is not distinct. So now let's say I want to take a decision. Let's say in this table D1 we have this duplicates and I want to take a decision based on this column name. Now I want to take decision in this table. I don't want to create a separate table or list where I want to take a decision. So then I want to create a new column and there I want to check whether this is there. So first thing which you have to do is go to the advanced editor and find out the table name in the last step, because I'm going to add the step after this one. So I taken this change type, that's my table name. Okay, now I go to add columns and I say custom column and I check, I'll say is distinct, is something, some name I need to give. Now I go here and check list dot is distinct. Now here when I want to give, I need to know the table name there, previous step table name. Okay, and then I can do it, because otherwise if I simply give column 1 here without a table name, it's the row, it's not the list. Okay, so that's the difference. And then let's try out. So all the rows will get, but our decision making can be done now. So in this table all the rows will give same result, but if you're taking a decision whether the other row is other column which is there in the table is distinct or not, you can take a decision. Now if you need a single decision, you can give the same thing, go ahead and give the table name here, table name column name here, and you can get it. Okay, so go ahead and try this thing out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.